Did you know that in the early 1990s, nearly 45% of car owners in the United States changed their own oil? But today, that number has dropped to less than 10%. In the past, changing engine oil meant lifting the hood, removing a drain plug, swapping the filter, and pouring in fresh oil. The entire process could be done in less than 30 minutes with basic tools. But modern vehicles have changed dramatically. Today's engines are packed with advanced electronics, smart sensors, complex oil monitoring systems, and tightly innovations components. These innovations improve efficiency and reliability. In this video, we are going to break down the real reasons why changing your own oil has become so difficult in modern vehicles, and why even experienced DIY mechanics sometimes struggle with it today. Let's get started. Reason number 13: advanced oil life monitoring systems. One of the biggest reasons DIY oil changes have become complicated is the introduction of advanced oil life monitoring systems. Nearly 95% of cars on the road in 2026 use advanced oil life monitors that require a digital reset via the OBD2 port. Modern vehicles use complex algorithms that track engine temperature, RPM cycles, and even ambient humidity to calculate exactly when your oil is spent. To tell the car you have performed the service, you now often need a bi-directional scan tool, which can cost anywhere from $50 for a basic Bluetooth dongle to over $900 for a professional-grade tablet. If you skip this digital handshake, your car may stay in a service overdue state, which can actually trigger limp home modes or disable certain remote start features in high-end models. Furthermore, without the reset, leading to inaccurate readings for the rest of the vehicle's life. It adds a layer of tech literacy to a mechanical task, effectively making a laptop just as important as a wrench for a 2026 oil change. Reason number 12: underbody complexity. Gone are the days when you could just slide under a truck and see the drain plug staring back at you. But modern aerodynamics have turned the bottom of your car into a plastic fortress. Accessing the oil pan on some modern vehicles now requires removing up to 28 different fasteners, including clips, torque screws, and hex bolts. On vehicles like the newer Nissan Altimas or Audi SUVs, you might encounter a splash shield held in by a nightmare mix of 22 plastic clips and 6 or more 10mm bolts. To a DIYer, this is not just an extra step. It's a high-stakes game of don't break the plastic. Professional shops often forget to put all these fasteners back, but they are critical for maintaining the specific airflow that keeps your air-fuel sensors from overheating. It's a deliberate design choice by engineers that has led to a 40% increase in DIY abandonment rates once the owner actually sees what's under the car. Reason number 11: proprietary tools and the plastic plug era. Over 60% of European vehicles produced since 2024 require at least one specialized tool like a 36mm socket or a proprietary plastic plug wrench to complete an oil change. Manufacturers are increasingly moving away from the standard metal bolt in favor of one-time use plastic drain plugs and specialized cartridge housings. If you own a modern VW or Audi, you can't even use a standard wrench. You need the T10549 assembly tool just to twist the plastic plug without cracking the entire oil pan, forcing you to buy a single-purpose tool for $25. Even the drain plugs themselves have become consumables. If you attempt to reuse these parts or use a flathead screwdriver instead of the proper tool, you face a 78% higher risk of catastrophic oil loss within the first 50 miles of driving. This tool gating is a subtle way for brands to nudge owners back to the dealership, where specialized equipment is already on the rack. Reason number 10: the warranty minefield. Industry data shows that 65% of engine-related warranty claims are initially denied if the owner cannot provide professional, time-stamped receipts for every oil change. If your engine experiences a failure, the manufacturer will demand meticulous documentation, including receipts for the specific oil grade and filters used, often requiring them to be OEM equivalent or better. DIYers frequently lose these slips of paper, leading to a $10,000+ repair bill being dropped squarely on their shoulders because they couldn't prove the work was done on time. In fact, 78% of catastrophic engine failures are linked to maintenance errors, such as using the wrong oil viscosity or improper torque on the drain plug. For many, the $120 spent at a certified shop is actually a warranty insurance premium that protects the resale value and the $40,000 investment of the car itself. Reason number 9, tightly packed engine bays. Another major reason DIY oil changes have become harder is the extremely tight engine packaging used in modern vehicles. Engineers design engine bays to maximize space efficiency, improve crash safety, and reduce aerodynamic drag. As a result, many components are packed very closely together under the hood. According to repair industry studies, more than 50% of modern vehicles require removing engine covers or other parts just to access the oil filter. This compact design helps improve engine performance and reduce emissions, but it also turns a simple oil change into a more complicated job. What once took 10 to 15 minutes on older cars can now take much longer simply because of limited working space. Even experienced DIY mechanics often struggle to access certain components without lifting the vehicle higher or removing additional parts. Reason number 8, strict oil specifications. Modern engines also require very specific oil formulations, which makes DIY oil changes riskier than they used to be. Many manufacturers now require ultra-thin synthetic oils such as 0W20 or even 0W16, designed to reduce friction and improve fuel economy. According to automotive engineering research, switching to low-viscosity oil across modern vehicle fleets has improved overall fuel efficiency by about 1 to 2% nationwide. While that may seem small, it translates to millions of gallons of fuel saved each year. However, these modern oils are extremely precise, and using the wrong viscosity or specification can cause serious engine damage. Turbocharged engines, in particular, depend on very specific oil characteristics to maintain proper lubrication. Professional service centers rely on digital databases that instantly identify the correct oil specification for each vehicle. Without this information, many DIY mechanics may accidentally choose the wrong oil. Reason number 7, the death of the drain plug. Since 2023, approximately 40% of European luxury models and 15% of domestic SUVs have been designed without a traditional gravity-fed drain plug. Instead, these vehicles are designed for top-down service. For the DIYer, this means your $15 drain pan is officially obsolete. You now need to invest in a $150 to $300 pneumatic fluid extractor just to get the old oil out. Furthermore, if you don't use a professional-grade pump, you risk leaving up to 15% of the old, contaminated oil and heavy sludge at the bottom of the pan. It turns a simple unscrew and drain task into a complex fluid transfer operation that requires specialized garage equipment most people simply don't have. Reason number 6. Fragile filter housings. In an effort to save weight and be green, engineers replaced the sturdy metal-cased oil filter with a paper cartridge that sits inside a permanent plastic housing. The problem is, this housing is subjected to thousands of heat cycles, making the plastic incredibly brittle over time. A DIYer using a standard wrench or even the correct tool with just 5% too much force can easily crack the housing or strip the plastic threads, turning a routine $15 maintenance task into a $500 repair bill involving a tow truck. These housings often require a very specific torque setting, usually around 25 Newton meters. It has turned a once dummy-proof task into a high-stakes surgical procedure where one wrong move ruins your entire weekend. Reason number 5, the LSPI threat. Modern cars use small, turbocharged engines that produce massive amounts of pressure at low speeds, leading to a phenomenon called low-speed pre-ignition, or LSPI. As a DIYer, if you grab a bottle of high-quality synthetic that is only rated API-SN instead of the new API-SP, you are essentially putting a ticking time bomb in your engine. These super knocks can literally snap a connecting rod or shatter a piston in a single firing cycle, leading to an $8,000 engine replacement. Because the labels on oil bottles have become a confusing alphabet soup of certifications, the risk of a correct-looking oil causing a total engine meltdown has never been higher. Reason number 4, digital maintenance records. By 2026, 85% of new vehicles come equipped with always-on cellular telematics that report maintenance events directly to the manufacturer's cloud in real time. When you change your own oil, the car's internal sensors note the change in pressure and clarity, but because there was no authorized technician login via the OBD2 port, the system may flag the event as unauthorized maintenance. This data is often shared with Carfax or the manufacturer's internal database, which can negatively impact your vehicle's resale value by showing an incomplete or unverified service history. Some insurance companies and extended warranty providers in the digital age, if a certified computer didn't see the oil change happen, as far as the manufacturer is concerned, it never happened at all.
Reason number 3, environmental regulations and oil disposal. Used engine oil is one of the most hazardous waste products, and a single oil change can contaminate up to 1 million gallons of water if disposed of improperly. Because of this, governments have introduced strict regulations for oil disposal. While professional service centers handle this efficiently, and DIYers must find authorized recycling facilities. Studies show that nearly 25% of DIY oil changes result in improper disposal, contributing to environmental pollution. This adds an extra layer of responsibility and inconvenience for car owners. The need to store, transport, and safely dispose of used oil makes the process less appealing compared to simply visiting a service center. Reason number 1, hybrid maintenance mode and high voltage hazards. Changing oil on a hybrid is not just a mechanical task, it's a high-stakes interaction with a high-voltage electrical system. On many modern hybrids, the internal combustion engine can kick on at any moment to charge the battery or circulate coolant, even if the ignition is off. The result is catastrophic mechanical failure or severe physical injury. Additionally, the engine bay is now a labyrinth of bright orange high-voltage cables carrying upwards of 600 volts, making a slipped wrench potentially fatal, has pushed the DIY difficulty rating of a simple oil change from a 2 to an 8. The bottom line is, the era of quick driveway oil changes is fading, replaced by precision, tools, and technical knowledge. So the real question is, are you ready to adapt, or is it time to leave it to the pros? Let me know your thought in the comments section. See you in the next video.